Hello, my name is Stephanie Grau. I'm a product manager working for the product line Automation and Robotics. Today I would like to tell you more about our product R-FKD, about its advantages and the difference to other flange clamps. Furthermore, you will get to know how to assemble the R-FKD with a tension clamp and a precision pipe. The R-FKD is a flange clamp with pivot bearing and enables the assembly of tension clamps or precision pipes in combination with system holders on robots. It's compact and includes a rotatable bearing with 2 stop screws to individually adjust the swivel range. Here you can see an example how conduits are usually guided on axis 6. Cables inside the conduit are strongly bent and varying on the program and application, the dress pack is kinked. Another problem with existing flange clamps with a screw-on pivot bearing is that they are much heavier, they have a less compact design and are less space-saving. Furthermore, the assembly effort increases because more components are needed, and this application often does not withstand the loads on axis 6 in the long term. Besides that, these pivot bearings allow rotation of 360 degrees, which means at the time of assembly, the needed swivel range cannot be estimated. An incorrect swivel range has an impact on the cables because the conduit and the cables get kinked or get teared out. Therefore, we created the R-FKD. The R-FKD is a flange clamping piece with integrated pivot bearing, which is fitted with a heavy-duty dual-row angular contact ball bearing and 2 stop screws with a hexagon socket. It is made out of black anodized aluminum and for pipes with a diameter of 32 mm and system holder nominal widths M25 to 95 jumbo. The advantages are that it's compact and only consists of 1 component, it's robust, maintenance-free, easy to assemble and has an individual adjustable swivel range. Now I will show you the first application with a tension clamp. We need our flange clamp, our tension clamp, system holders and hexagon wrenches. First we are going to loosen the screw and insert the tension clamp into the flange clamp. The position on the pipe is individual adjustable by just moving the flange clamp. Then we are going to fasten the screw. Adjust the swivel range by positioning and fastening the stop screws. Therefore, when installing the robot, the required cable routing can already be predicted. Even the preset swivel range of 36 degrees is sufficient to prevent the conduit from kinking. Now mount the system holder with the 2 included screws onto the pivot bearing. And by using a system holder with other components, a conduit with its cables can be inserted. When using a smaller system holder, SH M25, M32, use the hole in the middle to screw it to the pivot bearing. To prevent the system holder from rotating 360 degrees, just use a set screw. Here you can see the example on axis 6 again. By using the R-FKD, the dress pack is still flexible and is not kinked. And now I will show you the second application example with a precision pipe. So what do we need for this application? The R-FKD, precision pipe, hexagon wrenches and a system holder again. And as you have seen before, just open the screw and insert the precision pipe. The position of the precision pipe can be adjusted again by just moving the flange clamp. When you have reached the right position, just fasten the screw again. And just like before, you can adjust the swivel range again. Now position the system holder with the 2 included screws on the pivot bearing. Thank you for your attention. You can find all products shown during the video in the description below. Please don't hesitate to contact us in case of any questions. Bye!